Good, y'all. Man, stay tuned, man. I got some important information to teach y'all, man. This is for the real world, people that's hard-working individuals, people that make money on a daily basis because of things that they do, not because of them hacking somebody or taking money that's not theirs. Talking about stand-up people that really work for theirs, man. Not the bum-ass motherfuckers out there spending their day hacking people just for bread. So with Cashapp, you guys gotta understand about Cashapp. That app was made for quick payments, but it's when you signed up, it's kind of fail-proof in a way where it says that when you send and you send that the only way to get that money back is if that person sends it back to you. There's a bunch of loopholes in Cashapp. So my quick advice is never leave more than $100 in your Cashapp. So even if they do hack it, the most you lose is $100. But when you're losing $300, $800, $1,000 because you think it's a bank, is where you fucked up. So I'm telling you now, if you have more than $100 in your Cashapp, cash out now, right? But don't forget to like and subscribe real quick. But cash out now, and future reference, only let your money build up probably $100, $200 max. Whatever you're willing to lose if something goes wrong. Cashapp does not have a fail-safe. It does not have it's not protected by the FDIC. So yeah, FDIC, right? That's right here. It's not protected by that, so you can't claim to get money back. I feel sorry. I feel sorry for a lot of people that it's happening to. It happened to my mom. I had a similar Cashapp situation where I sent money to somebody, the wrong account, and never got the money back. So you gotta understand things like that. And it just happened to a friend of mine. So he said he lost $400. If it was less than 100, you know, you've been good. All right, so I forgot to add in, Cashapp does not have any support, right? There's no support on the phone. So don't ever call Cashapp, just so y'all know. Cashapp will never call you. It's another tip. And yo, those scammers, man, those guys that are trying to get money off of this, man, listen, that shit is short-lived, bro. Like, you might be good for a few years, but when you 40 years old, 50 years old with your kids, man, you're gonna be an asshole. You're gonna be the angriest person in the world because life didn't go your way because, you tried to take money from your own people instead of going outside and working for it. The money's out there, man. The money is out there. All you gotta do is find a niche that you like and put in that work, man. I mean, I found relief in certain jobs that I never thought would be something that I want to do. But again, man, those Cashapp guys, those guys that's taking people's bread and scamming and calling my mother and calling my grandmother and calling your grandmother, those guys are pieces of shit because they know that they're gonna put you in a hole, and the amount of people that they do it to in one day is incredible. And the fact that you wasted your whole life, all your knowledge, your brain to try to fool somebody for some money is some scumbag shit, man. And honestly, like, it is what it is. You can't ask for a bad person to be good because they just bad, but bad shit will happen to you, trust me. Bad shit will happen to you. And when you have that time and that moment that you're complaining about life and you're wondering why life is so hard and everything is coming down on you and the police is in front of your door and it's a bunch of scenarios. Do not hit me. Fuck these cops, bro. Y'all wildin' out. Let that cop figure that shit out. Right? So, yeah, could have waited, but they wanted to be bullies, put the emergency lights on just to go nowhere. But whatever. Yeah, man, this message is for those scammers, man. You a piece of shit. Hope you rot in hell. Again, your life is gonna be full of bullshit. It's already trash if this is what you wasting your time. You went to think about it. You went to school for 18 years, or didn't go to school for 18 years, to get out and be a secretary, because that's what you are. You're a receptionist. And let me call this old lady and finesse her to get her information so I could take her money, right? And when you really look at it, like, think about your parents, you know what I mean? Let me call your mom, bro. Let me say, hey, Miss Patterson. Hey, Miss Johnson. Hey, Miss Savecki. Hey, Miss whatever, you know what I mean? Whatever your mom's last name is. And let me say, hey, I know you need help, and I want to help you out as much as possible, and give me a credit card so I could give you back your money, and you want nothing to worry about. And the IRS scam of you owe the IRS, you know, $20,000, and they come into your door because of dope and cocaine in your mailbox, and all these fake fucking stories, man. That shit is so disappointing. That shit is sad that we have to pay people to find idiots like that. You know what I mean? Instead of you going out and working, that shit is not that hard, bro. And even if you don't want to work, build yourself a business that you don't have to work. Those phone call shits that y'all doing could work great. Sales and marketing, you know what I mean? You hire your services to get people to buy products, and you can freaking talk your ass off. You can say, hey, listen, I know you need this because are you having back problems? Are you having leg pain? And that's different finesse, because those people are willingly agree to buy something from you for their health, as opposed to you telling people to download an app or do a bunch of shit like that. Guys, never download an app. Never talk to Cashapp. There's no way you can talk to them. Never agree to take out money or send money in return to get your money in full. Don't believe none of those scams, man. It's just shit is sad. Most of the time it's our own people, man, which is the sad part. But that's why I made this little message, man. Hopefully they'll listen to it before they get to you and catch on to the schemes, man. I told a friend of mine, I said, hey, I was like, never leave more than $100 in your Cash App. Whatever you're willing to let go for the night, which my budget is $100. I ain't giving no more than $100 a day to nobody. I don't give a fuck if they scam me, the bank, anybody. I'm not giving y'all. Y'all want to take that 100, take that 100, and we're going to figure out how to get the rest of the money later on. But, man, listen, to those, like I said, those scammers, man, fuck you. Hope you have a bad day. The worst, I could wish the worst on you, but you already know what it is, man. And if you watching this shit, man, and you a scumbag, fuck you, bro. But to everybody else, just watch out for them, and just be smart, man. Use your brain, learn some things, and don't take nothing for granted. Take care. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate y'all.